Okay, to create a playlist, you want to just remember to get logged into your Jeffco Schools account. And, both ways, you can go to the Waffle, YouTube, make sure you're logged in, or you can just type in YouTube. There's so many different ways, and, you're bound to have some student tell you, oh, there's a shortcut for that. There always is. And, there's a couple of different ways. You can click library. I never like that home screen because they always recommend such odd things. So I just, you can go to library, which is just where you keep all of your things. You can go up to your name, my channel, or Creator Studio. So those are kind of the ways to access your channel. So I'm going to go to Creator Studio. So again, click on your name right up here. And now I'm in Creator Studio. They are creating a new version of Creator Studio. I actually think I mentioned that in an earlier video. So this might look slightly different. If you watch this video, I actually kind of mistakenly got into it, and I think it was a test version, so I know it's going to be changing soon. But I think a lot of this stuff will be close to the same area. So you want to go to Video Manager and click on that because we're going to be managing all of our videos, and that's where I'm going to do my playlists. Okay. So under videos, it has all my videos. Under playlists, I'm going to be creating a playlist. You can see I created one and haven't added anything to it. So I'm just going to go up here, click New Playlist. I'm going to do YouTube tutorials. Right here, I want it public. If you'll notice over here, this says unlisted, this says public. Typically, when I have things that students are involved in, their faces are in, I make it unlisted. Just because you never know with their privacy. And so that means if it's unlisted, they have to have a link in order to view it. It's not searchable. Whereas YouTube tutorials, someone could search it and they can see my tutorials. So create. So now I have my playlist. And the next video, I will show you how to put videos into your playlist.